So hey everybody, what's going on? Look, my name is Terry. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So look, hopefully this video here is going to save some of you out there a ton of time and nearly pulling your hair out the way I did, because I thought the latest beta update to my editing program, DaVinci Resolve, I thought it might have broke something, because I would go to open it up, it wouldn't open. I would go to make a new project, it wouldn't even let me make a new project. As a matter of fact, a lot of the software that I've been using over the past few years just all of a sudden was not wanting to open up. And I kind of sort of pulled a little bit of a Hail Mary, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to check my Windows security, Windows Defender settings, and sure enough, the latest update for Windows 11, at least on my system, it turned on now by default the ransomware protection. And yeah, a lot of people don't know this, but Windows 11, Windows Defender, security, again, whatever you want to call it, actually has a pretty good ransomware blocker built in. You know, that's debatable, of course. If you want to use it, other companies pay for it, whatever you want, it's fine. But the one in Windows is actually pretty darn good now. It's been what what I've been using for years. But unless you actually give individual programs access to your folders, to modify them, to make new projects, to export, to save stuff to, it's not going to really allow you to do anything here. Okay, so I'm going to show you all how you can go in there and allow specific software to access and make changes to your folders. All right, everybody, here is my desktop, and as you'll see, I re-downloaded and uninstalled, reinstalled Resolve like 4 or 5 times. I thought, well, maybe it's just getting corrupted or something, but that didn't work. So again, that's when I came across this fixer. Okay, so a very easy way to get to it is just right-click the start button here. You want to go to settings, then you want to click on right here, privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here for you all to see better. And then right here, folks, ransomware protection. Now, normally this is turned off, but this latest update to my Windows 11 system here, it got turned on. And I thought, well, I'm going to click right here, allow an app through the controlled folder access, and there was nothing here. Okay, like all of this stuff wasn't there because I didn't give it access manually yet. So to add a piece of software to it, you can click on add an allowed app, and they make it nice and convenient here. You can click on recently blocked apps. Now, normally you will see a whole list of stuff here. Like for me, there was a lot of my editing software like Resolve, Guild Wars 2. There's a Destiny to even make screenshots. Same thing for Steam, because again, I was going to make screenshots inside of Steam, and even those weren't showing up. So I'm like, what in the world is going on? And this is the reason why I didn't allow Steam to make changes to folders. So that is how you do it. Or if you need to do it manually, you can go ahead and click right here to browse all apps, and then you can just go to the executables yourself if you need to. So yeah, look, really quick little tutorial tonight. This drove me nuts for like 3 hours last night. I didn't know if anybody out there might have known about this new feature in Windows 11. So, and as a matter of fact, I think this also might be backported to Windows 10 as well. Don't quote me on that, but I think it might be. So yeah, just do yourself a favor, check this out. If you're having some issues with Windows 11, like your stuff not opening up or not exporting or saving stuff correctly, this very well could be the culprit. So everybody, you know the drill, okay? If you like what you saw here, do me a favor, get subscribed to the channel, get this video liked. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys and gals next time.